Benefits of eating garlic and honey on an empty stomach. Eating garlic and honey on an empty stomach has incredible effects on the body. Garlic is one of the most widely used ingredients on the planet. The health benefits of eating garlic are astounding, the only drawback, the smell. Garlic with honey is a powerful combination that can turn you into a superhero of health and energy if you consume it for 7 consecutive days. Take a look at the video to find out what happens when you mix garlic and honey and consume it on an empty stomach for a week. 1. Bolsters the immune system. This natural duo has the power to kill the harmful fungi and microorganisms that lower our body's defenses. By doing so, it strengthens our immune systems, allowing us to stay healthier. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Adding honey mixed with garlic and taken on an empty stomach for a week will help reduce and control blood pressure naturally. Reducing blood pressure goes a long way to improving overall cardiovascular health. 3. Controls bad cholesterol. Crushing raw garlic releases a compound called allicin that flushes the bloodstream of surplus cholesterol found there. It can also help stabilize fat levels in the blood. 4. Promotes better circulation. Garlic's sulfur content, along with the anti-inflammatory properties of honey, promote better circulation by preventing clotting. They also work to strengthen our veins and reduce the probability of associated issues like thrombosis and varicose veins. 5. Helps you get over the common cold quicker because it strengthens the immune system. The garlic and honey mixture, when taken over a long period of time, can fight the symptoms that accompany seasonal colds and the flu. 6. Fights cough. Honey works well to coat your throat, calming the irritated area and letting you have a more productive cough to expel phlegm. Adding crushed garlic helps to fight bacteria and viral infections. 7. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation in the body has been associated with numerous chronic health disorders. Separately, garlic and honey both fight inflammation. Together they work even harder to reduce inflammation and provide relief for the symptoms associated with joint problems, water retention, and sore muscles. Here's the simple recipe that we've told you so much about. Ingredients: 1 cup of honey, 335 grams, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 glass jar with a lid. Instructions: using a garlic press, crush all 10 cloves of garlic. Add the honey to the glass jar and mix in the garlic. Seal the jar and put it in the pantry or other dry, dark place for 7 days. Before breakfast, every day for a week, dilute the syrup with warm water or simply consume a tablespoon by itself. After a week, wait 2 more weeks, and then repeat the process. Make sure to store the mixture at room temperature so the honey doesn't crystallize, and it's always recommended to use the best, organic ingredients. Learn more about the benefits of all natural remedies. Click the link in the description below to discover now.